Hello, my dear friends. Today I am presenting the frank review of Prepletter Question Bank 2.0. Yes, whether to take it or not take it, it's all up to you. But I am presenting the frank review today. So, my dear friends, how's the new version better, or what are they included in the new version? Previously, there was a complaint from lots of the students that they were not able to cover all of the questions in their question bank. So this time, if you carefully see the question bank, then you will feel that they will cover the majority of the questions this time, my dear friends. So the new version, this is the big improvement, as every question in the question bank has been covered in the notes and video lectures. Previously, what happened, if you see the video lectures, then after seeing the video lectures, you will able to solve only 60 to 70% of the questions from the question bank. But now when you watch the video, you are able to solve at least 90 to 95% of the questions from the question bank. So this is the most important feature. So how it helps the students? My dear friends, approximately 23,000 plus MCQs are included in this question bank, and you all know, as you practice more and more MCQs, the concepts of the students will get better and better. So I think 23,000 MCQs will be good. But the most important thing, which is slightly different from the competitive coaching institutes like Marrow, that they have the concise explanations, which is very important. Because what I feel personally, if I observe the explanation of the Marrow question bank, then they are giving very lengthy explanations. Because students, you are not going to teach anybody in the examination hall. What is the necessity that you have to retain and reciprocate your knowledge in the examination hall? So that's why the explanation must be very concise. So this is the most important point I feel here, that it is very good. Also, the explanations are taken from the standard textbooks, like for medicine it is the Harrison, and for surgery it is the Sebastian, and for anatomy it is the Gray's Anatomies, etc., etc. So this is the common feature of both the institutes. The most important points are also highlighted in the explanations, or revise the whole thing quickly during the last days before the exams. So this is also very much important. One major thing I also notice in this question bank, that they include some video images and GIFs based clinical questions, which may be the new trend in the next NEET PG examination. So this is also the unique feature. And now if we see what's new, then of course the question bank is error free, as constantly reviewed by the toppers and faculty, and all the questions have references from the standard textbooks. There is a custom module option also they included in this. Because previously it was not there, but this time it is there. So if you want to solve the questions for a particular examination, you will be able to do that. If you want to do questions for a particular subject, you able to do that. So this is a very important custom module option that covers almost questions from all the exams like AIMS, ZIPMER, PGI, of course the NEET. Next, the all new treasures. They map the treasures with the MCQs, so that it is very easy for the student and revise the particular topic and solve the MCQ related to that topics. So this is very much important, because every last minute is very important for the student. So last minute revision is also very important, and this will help surely to all the students to revise the most important points, which are called treasures. So this is the frank review. Of course, the students, you are able to decide which will be good for you, as the IQ of every student is different, and majority of the students are average students. So the point which I mentioned here, the explanation must be concise. So here I get that concise explanation. So that's what I want to say regarding the frank review of Question Bank 2 Prep Ladder. Thank you.